Thank you for your interest in the wheel repair industry. Here at Blasmatic, we make all kinds of wheel repair machines and polishers. We've been in the industry for over 20 years. We're selling a program, not just a machine. We have complete training. Wherever you are in the wheel repair business, we can bring you to where you need to be. If you're a tire store, a chain of tire stores, one of these machines can increase your revenue $7,000 to $10,000 a month with no cost of goods. If you're looking for a national distribution program, or you are a wholesale distributor wants a program, we back you up with training. We make sure that once you sell that machine, it doesn't go sit in a warehouse. We will help you make sure that everybody is properly trained, so when that machine is sold, it gets sold to the end user. Contact us at Blasmatic Equipment Sales.